you experience with the community, and just taking from Isabella's point, perhaps it's an injustice to talk about what happens next without acknowledging what has happened in this election. Same question to you. What happens next, and what happened in this election?
Interesting. For me, also, one of the things that I'd like to point out is that we also appeal, like we have seen the bar of women rising up, seeing also 3 women running for top office. That's the deputy president, which is it's a congratulation. And we are looking forward to see a woman also vying as a president in future. And at the same time, we have seen also like also women, like the number has increased to, is it 7 governors? Which I'm like, it's good, but also it's not like what we want. If also you're talking about the Kenya Kwanza manifesto 50-50, I'm expecting also the same thing with the new government or the new regime when it comes in. It's not only just on cabinet, but also when it comes to PS, when it comes to ambassadorial position, parastatals or public office, that the actualization is going to be real. As in the way we say it to ground is different. So I expect, if you're saying it's bottom-up approach, it's bottom-up approach in terms of inclusivity, and also at the same time in terms of ensuring that women are at the center of all this discussion. So it's full implementation of 2/3. So in 100 days, I'm expecting to see the 2/3 in actualization, saying the struggle that we have been pushing all this along, we are seeing the fruits. That's one. Secondly, when it comes to matters of also human rights, social justice, and women's rights, we are very hopeful, to be honest, as also community and grassroots community. I think also there's a lot of expectations based on the narrative that was from the ground, that we hope also the cost of living, the price of unga still, it's 200, it has not gone down. So we expect the price of unga also to, the cost of living to go down. And looking also at the manifesto, I was seeing also there is issue about also housing. We have seen even during this period that this is one of the biggest agendas. So also as people living in informal settlement, we don't expect to see with this new regime also forceful eviction or eviction. And the other thing that I expect to see with this regime is that the Kenya National Human Rights Commission, which is also a watchdog for the government in terms of monitoring human rights violation, they are well-resourced. And when I mean well-resourced, they're able to be resourced to ensure that they're able to push the agenda of human rights because they're speaking on behalf of the citizenry and behalf of the people. When it comes to health, I've seen also within the manifesto, and we have seen when they talk about universal health care, which also happened to both of the manifesto, either it's Azimio, Agano, or Roots, where health is a priority and to most Kenyans. And we have seen that if it's a priority, also the concern of women, not only just on just only maternal health, but also with focus, special focus on also sexual reproductive health and rights. If you're talking also about the family planning, what about the contraceptive? So I expect with this kind of regime that we're able to see that, but at the same time, not acknowledging that also the aspect of constitutionalism, it's well protected, defended, and promoted. That all these institutions, independent institutions, as we say, we follow the rule of the law. Let's ensure like it's protected, and Kenyans are able to continue protecting that right that we have as Kenyans. Yeah.